So here's where the Opel GT is, the 1969. That's a hovercraft thing. You see right there? You see the Opel right in there. There's a little Opel. Let's get back in there. Oh man, it's a tight fit. And there it is. There's the dual exhaust on it. Oh man, P symbols. It's a very desirable color combination. It's red. Automatic transmission in there. There's a Ford Falcon. There it is. It's pretty crazy. So we'll have to get it out of here and I guess stay tuned. Pull the hydro boat out or whatever. Oh, here we go. Got that. Okay. Okay, yep, we're turning. There we go. Got it. Yeah, there we go. Nice. There we go.
Go.
Yep, we're good.
Just don't pull it out too far, baby.
Yeah. Here, there we go. Got that thing out there. Nice. Okay, we got that. Clear.
Okay, bring it up. Help him guide him.
Turn, Sam. Turn if you can. Turn. Go, stop.
Hey, stop, Jim.
Not turning. Okay. Not turning much. Am I pulling the right angle okay, or should I?
Well, Sam's got to watch how he's coming
Is it
out.
locked up? Is everything turning?
Yeah. Are you getting the wheels turned? I give them going, I might turn here. Good hit the tree.
Wait,
You're gonna smash the tree. I told you.
you're going to hit the tree.
Here we go, getting it out more.
Okay, watch that.
Okay, here we go. Let's hope it doesn't hit the concrete right there, that little concrete. Okay, it's going.
Oh, the wheels are turning.
They are?
No, they're going straight.
Oh yeah, I see the steering wheel moving.
I don't
Yep.
think it matters though.
No, it's fine.
Go.
Yeah,
No,
let's go. Yeah. Nope, we're good with the concrete. Oh, the concrete's getting. Whoa, the concrete's. Whoa.
Whoa.
The concrete's getting really. Yep, up already. Okay, here we go. Got it fixed. We jacked up the front end and let's hope this thing goes. We're good, I think. It's hitting the concrete. Oh, we're gonna pop the front tire, I think.
Keep pulling.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Who cares if we pop the front tire? It's rubbing against the front tire a little bit.
The jack's hitting the concrete now.
Yeah. The front brakes are stuck, so we have to take those off, take off the calipers because it's a disc brake. So we'll have to do that next.
Not yet.
Whoa, don't go, yeah, don't.
Now you got it.
Nope, it's not turning. Up, yep, front. It's just turning, the steering wheel's turning. Yeah, the steering wheel's turning the wrong way. Here, Gray, you can get the camera. Gray, get the camera.
I was gonna get the wood.
Should I get the... Oh, there. Oh, okay. Now we're good.
A little more.
The steering's still working. That's why we didn't break the rack and continue doing that. Okay. There you go, we're good. Oh, Gray, you can turn it off.
Okay, that's good.
Well,
You're good.